tell them to do something against what they believe in. But if you make a reasonable argument and articulate it to them, and you should expect that they hear that, and if it makes sense and it's consistent with their values and beliefs, then they should be voting in that manner. And they should also understand that you and your friends are not going to vote for them, or people that share their views, if they don't vote in a way that they said they were going to vote when you elected in the first place. Go ahead.
Is drinking age regulated by the individual county, or is it national?
That is a state regulation, the age, which is very interesting. If you're 18 years old, you can be, you can go to the Army, and you can go to Afghanistan and Iraq, but you can't get a drink till you're 21. I don't know how fair that is. You can vote. But that is the law in the state of Florida.
Could individual stores get in trouble for selling alcohol on Sunday before noon?
What's that?
I bought alcohol at like Walmart at around noon before on Sundays now. And
what, in Clay County?
Yeah.
Yes,
they were kind of like, wasn't too, and I was like, no, because of that vote thing. And they're like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
And
they just were confused, I'm sure.
My view, I voted yes for it because most of the Jags games are at 1, and I never liked having to leave in the middle of it to go buy alcohol if I forgot to get it the day before. Right. So I could go and get it.
That actually is an argument that was made by the Chamber of Commerce in the past, and other people who feel like that's the proper thing to do, actually making it earlier than noon. One of the arguments would be that a football game in Jacksonville, the professional football game, typically starts at 1 p.m., and so people are generally leaving to go north around 10, 11, and so you're basically, they're going to buy into Duval County, you're losing sales tax dollars in Clay County by just having them drive up to Duval, because they're going to buy it anyway. That's an argument, and it's a reasonable argument. You know, whether one accepts it or not is, I mean, I understand the argument. That's you know, that's what's important, is that you articulate an argument that people can accept. That doesn't mean everybody has to agree, but it's important to say something in a manner that can compel the person listening to you to agree with it, particularly the elected official, if it's something important to you. Anybody got any other comments on this whole alcohol thing? Because I think it usually, when I bring it up, the thing that really gets people kind of riled up who are not 21 is the idea that they feel like they could be drafted into the military, and yet they don't have the trust of the government to be able to make that decision for themselves. Which, again, I understand that. I'm really sympathetic to that one. That's a good argument. Anybody got any other comments? Well, that's what I had.
Thank you, Rob. I appreciate it.